Alright, y'all, we're at the Fit Factory, about to crash some back. Both Crystal and I are sleep deprived, tired, hungry, but we're ready to go work out and do some deadlifts. So here we go. Alright, y'all, back workout in the books. Did deadlifts, did dumbbell rows, did close grip and wide grip pull downs. What else did we do? Pullovers, seated rows, all that good stuff. So, good workout, cramp for time, cramp for energy. But you know the best remedy to coming into a gym tired and feeling like you don't have time to work out is kick ass when you work out. I got my sweat on, went heavy, I didn't take a break, supersetted everything, I feel good about the workout. Now, let's tackle the rest of the day. Alright, y'all, sitting outside the Starbucks, working on some client calls, just knocked out one, I've got another one in 30 minutes. Pretty hungry, don't know what I'm gonna eat. I think I've got some burger patties or something that have been pre-cooked sitting in Crystal's car in the sun, so sounds appetizing. I'm gonna chow down on that. Today is gonna be a little interesting. We are working on client macros today, which pretty much sees me sitting at the computer the majority of the time. Didn't film much of the workout because we were in a hurry to get to this client call. And then tonight we're gonna go to my parents' house, I think, drop off my truck, hit the ground running early in the morning for Galveston. So that's kind of a quick little update on what to expect from us. Alright, so we got 3 burger patties in there. I'm probably only gonna eat 2 right now, and then a kielbasa sausage. And I think Crystal just got done eating this salad. Is that right? Alright, so Crystal just got the shirt match my drink order. What is that?
I said whatever matches my shirt, I want it. No,
What,
not really.
What is it? Pepto-Bismol?
No, Mary Roberts actually turned me on to this. It's a passion iced tea with heavy cream, and then you can ask for sugar-free vanilla. I got it in there today. The other day I didn't get it in there. I do like it a little bit better with, but they overdid the heavy cream for sure.
Let me try. That is pretty good, y'all.
Don't drink it all. Go get your own.
Alright, y'all, we are loading up from Granny's. We're gonna head to my folks' house, like I said earlier. Work on client macros there. Hopefully that we have internet. We live out in the country, in case you hadn't noticed, so there's like no good internet, which is why we spend so much time at Starbucks. But yeah, that's our plan there. Training has been all kinds of sporadic these past couple weeks. Like with Crystal's competition, she was scaling back on her training intensity, so I didn't work out as hard then because I was training with her. These past couple weeks we've been just like traveling, going everywhere, and it's been frustrating. Both her and I are frustrated because we're not able to put as much time and energy into the training that we'd like to. And I feel like a hypocrite sometimes because I'm, illustrating this healthy lifestyle with y'all and motivating y'all and teaching y'all and trying to do keto and train healthy and just make it all symbiotic in nature. And sometimes I don't get to train as much as I'd like, and I feel like I'm sacrificing the things that got me to the success that I've seen thus far anyways, and that's just not cool. So when all this traveling's done, when the cruise is done, when the Keto Con's done, when all the conferences are done, when we get back in a normal routine, I'm going to train like you ain't never seen. And I'm not making excuses per se, because like where I've slacked in training, I've made up in just work. Like I've just been working. So I'm not just watching Netflix and not getting stuff done. But it is frustrating to not be able to train like I'd like to. But at the same time, it's good that I'm able to just illustrate that fact to y'all. And, you know, sometimes you don't have the stars aligning for you, and you just have to make the most of what you got. So take heed of that. If you can't train 100% like you'd like to, don't let it be because you're watching TV. You know, don't make excuses there. I'm just rambling at this point, but I'm drinking a Zevia Cherry Cola, and it's pretty tasty. What's y'all's take on Zevia, by the way? I like them. They're sweetened with stevia. Unlike a lot of the sweeteners like sucralose that make you hold water, I don't have that effect with stevia, or Zevia rather. So, pretty good, pretty good. All right, I'm definitely rambling at this point. We'll see you at Mom and Dad's. Just pulled up to Mom and Dad's. Y'all, have y'all seen our front gate? Check out this front gate. My dad built this front gate. Boom. Proud to be a Sykes, y'all. Proud to be a Sykes. I grew up on this place. Always good to be home.
I never know when you're gonna show up.
What's going on, Mom?
And I never know when you're gonna be at Granny's. Where's your girl?
She's coming. Both of them on both sides of the family. Alright, we're watching YouTube. Actually, my mom's watching my YouTube.
My favorite show.
Biggest fan right here, biggest fan.
It's the only way I can keep up with him.
She watches all of them. Proud of her. Alright, y'all, I know these little baby lambs are oh so cute, but the fat to protein ratio on a little baby lamb is so good. They're gonna be good for keto eating. Don't let Mom see this video. You got some hay in your hair. Your hay head. What about y'all? You hungry? You hungry? Bap. 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 Bap.
It's okay, Rubba.
It's hard to get video without these dogs jumping on me. But real quick, y'all, I want to talk about excuses. All right. Actually, let's bring it back one step further. Whenever I do a competition, and as Crystal realized when she did her competition, the stars never align to do a competition. Okay, the crazier it gets, and that's just the reality of it. And all kinds of background noises here. And you can either roll with that and make the most of it, or you can look for excuses as to why now is not the best time to reach your goal, or to make this happen, or to put in the work, or to do that next step, or go for that thing that you're wanting to do. And that's human nature, all right? It's easy. It's human nature to not want to go through discomfort, to not want to go through the pain or the struggles, because we're wired to just like survive, you know? But I encourage you to do more than just survive. You know, when you take it to the next limit, to the next level, and you push it to the limit, you can thrive. And that's going to require a little bit more than what you're comfortable doing. Like when I'm doing a competition prep, I literally have to like make it through moment to moment. Like when I'm depleted, I'm in a deficit, and I have to still train my hardest and, you know, do everything else that life has thrown at me. I'm like, okay, let's get through this next 30-minute window. And when I make it through, let's get to the next 30-minute window. And then again, and then again. Let's get to this workout. Let's get to this meeting. Let's get to this call. One thing at a time. And business right now has been so crazy. The same thing has held true with that. Like, I'm like, let's get through this. Let's get to this meeting. Let's get through this call. Let's get through this conference. And I love it. You know, I love those things, blocking those things out. These lambs are going crazy. I think they're getting fed. But when you do that, there's nothing more fulfilling than that. Like I smile because of the chaos right now, because I know something great is about to happen. And you don't get that unless you're pushing yourself to the absolute limit. It doesn't just come by accident, happenstance. Like it comes as a result of pushing to the freaking limit and pushing your boundary. So when you know things can't get much harder, and then they do, then just smile and carry on, because something great's about to happen. And just be excited about that and learn to embrace it and yearn for it. And that's my motivational tidbit for the day. So I'm gonna go help Mom feed these lambs, feed the dogs, feed the horses, work on clients, and get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're heading out to Galveston to board on this cruise. So we'll catch y'all then.